Hello, and welcome to the Haas Tip of the Day, where we cover the topics that every Haas machinist needs to know. My name is Mark. Over here. There we go. My name is Mark, and today we are working with one of our live tool lathes. We're choosing which axis we'd like displayed on our position screen. Now, this machine has quite a number of axes. It has an X-axis, a Y-axis, a Z-axis. We have a B-axis tailstock. The spindle also doubles as a full simultaneous C-axis rotary table that we can use with our 6,000 RPM live tooling. And this machine has a Haas bar feeder, which is our V-axis. Right now I'd like to do some setup work with my bar feeder, and I'd like to know my exact V-axis position. In jog mode, my position screen shows me the X-axis, the Y-axis, the Z-axis, the B-axis, and the C-axis. What we don't see is my bar feeder V-axis, but we're going to fix that right now at the control. I'm going to press the position key, which makes the position box active. Once there, I press F2, and we're going to follow the on-screen instructions. I'm going to use the arrow keys and the enter key to select the 5 axes I'd like displayed. I'm going to select X, Y, Z. I'm going to skip over the B axis. I'm going to select C, and finally V for my bar feeder. Now the screen tells me to press F2 key when finished, so I'm going to press F2. My V axis is now displayed, and when I jog, I can now see the exact V-axis position on my position screen. Well, that's it. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel at the end of this video. Thanks for watching this Haas Tip of the Day.